Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afam. If you're new here, you're welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to be taking a tour of the international airport. I'm going to be showing you the updates of the reconstruction of the old Murtala Muhammed Airport. And I'm also going to be showing you the part that was burnt. Some part of it was burnt, but I heard that they built a makeshift terminal. So let's go see. Let me first show what is happening at the airport toll gate, where a new rule by the Federal Airport Authority of Nigeria is causing traffic gridlock. Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Afam. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how a singular decision by the Nigerian airport authorities have resulted in a gridlock here on Airport Road. This is what we have here. There's traffic all the way from here to the toll gates. Guess why? Because the airport authority decided that they will no longer be collecting cash from cars. Instead, you have to pay with, I think, POS or bank transfer. Imagine the time that will be wasted when every car will have to, make a transfer. I wonder if these people didn't think it through. Or sometimes I wonder what people in government are actually doing. Like, do they have people that think? Because for this decision to be made, it means it was probably discussed in their meetings. And they know for a fact that, this thing is going to cause traffic gridlock. Like, this doesn't even make sense one bit. It was a terrible decision by the airport authority. Terrible decision. Wow. See the cars lining up to pay. This makes absolutely no sense. Why you go now? Wow. So everybody now go use card and transfer. Have you? Let's start from the new airport terminal that was completed some years ago. This is the best looking airport in the country currently, and unlike the old terminal, this one is up to international standard and have received a lot of praise from commuters. Work is still ongoing around the airport, as you can see. The entire place will be transformed once everything is done. Before I go to the new temporary terminal, let's check out the massive work that was done here. So, work is already going on at the old terminal. From what I heard, they're actually not pulling it down like a lot of people thought. They are just remodeling and redesigning. So the airport will remain. I mean, the structure of the building will remain. But they are making a lot of changes inside. Now see what this place now looks like. This place used to be rowdy and rough. I think it's been turned into a car park of some sort. Let's go and see it. Let's go and get a closer look. That's the new terminal there. The terminal 2. And this is the terminal 1 that is being reconstructed. So this is what the arrival looks like now. I don't know what they're going to build there. They also built a makeshift bridge where you can see these cars passing. They were building an airport taxi stand. This is the new road that was constructed and it leads to the new terminal, which is behind the multi-level car park. This is the new temporary terminal. Temporary terminal. Wow. even know they were building anything here. This is the car park. I couldn't enter inside the terminal because it's not yet operational, but I'll be back to show you what the inside looks like. That will be all for this video about changes at the international airport in Lagos, Nigeria. Thanks for watching.